Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Day 1 of the NBA Playoffs Western Conference Finals, May 19, 2026. The San Antonio Spurs topped the Oklahoma City Thunder 122-115 in two overtime to open West Finals. Victor Wembanyama had 41 points and 24 rebounds. Dylan Harper finished with 24 points and a team playoff record 7 steals. And the San Antonio Spurs beat the Oklahoma City Thunder 120-115 in double overtime classic to open the Western Conference Finals. Stephon Cassell had 17 points. Alex Caruso scored 31 points, the second highest scoring game of his career off the bench for the Thunder. Jalen Williams returned from a six-game absence caused by a hamstring strain and scored 26 points for the Thunder, while Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, on the night he got his second straight Most Valuable Player trophy, had 24 points and 12 assists but shot 7 for 23 from the field. In this game, San Antonio Spurs led Oklahoma City Thunder by 7 points at halftime. Wembanyama led the San Antonio Spurs with 14 points and 10 rebounds. Cassell had 11 points. For the Oklahoma City Thunder, Alex Caruso had 16 points and Jalen Williams posted 14. Alexander was limited to just 4 points in the first half. Victor Wembanyama shot 14 of 25 overall, including 12 of 13 from the charity stripes. He played 41 minutes and had 3 assists, 9 offensive rebounds, and 3 turnovers. The reigning MVP, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, played 51 minutes and is 8 of 9 from the free throw line. He also had 3 rebounds, 5 steals, 1 blocks, and committed 4 turnovers. In this game, San Antonio Spurs shot 41 of 96 or 43% from the field, 13 of 43 or 30% from the three-point line, and 27 of 29 from the free throw line. They outscored Oklahoma City Thunder by 11 points from the free throw line, 27-16. They also outrebounded OKC 61-40. San Antonio Spurs committed 21 turnovers compared to OKC who just had 14. In this game, OKC as a team committed 26 personal fouls compared to San Antonio who just had 19. Let us have the Eastern Conference Finals game is scheduled on May 20, 2026. Game 1 of the Eastern Conference Finals between Donovan Mitchell and the Cleveland Cavaliers, and the New York Knicks led by Jalen Brunson will take place in Madison Square Garden at 8 a.m. Philippine time or 8 p.m. Eastern time. And now, let's proceed to the NBA Conference Finals series standings as of May 19, 2026. For the Eastern Conference, New York Knicks and Cleveland Cavaliers series is tied at 0-0 and they hadn't played yet. For the Western Conference, San Antonio Spurs leads Oklahoma City Thunder 1-0.